Hey guys, this is day 17 of my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Zapier AI. So we can use Zapier AI to automate your workflow, and it works by using a trigger and action. So let's get started now. So the first we can just go to any browser and search Zapier AI. So once you are so 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 after you can see the top website zapier.com. Okay, so now we can sign up. You can sign up with the Google. I'll check. Okay, so once you're in, you can see this interface, and the first thing you notice is a Copilot. And with the Copilot, you can do anything. So you just enter idea or app name, and it can do everything for you. And other feature we have is a ZAP automated workflow, AI agent, chatbot, MCP, and form. But for this video, I'm going to talk about only workflow, and I'll make another video to explain more about AI agent, chatbot, MCP, and form. So let's start from the basics. So I'll just choose the first one. So start from scratch. So so you just have to describe your workflow. So I can say I want to send email when new event added in my Google Calendar, and just click on start building. So it will just take 2 or 3 minutes, and everything will be ready, and you can see on the left side what's happening. So just click on continue. You can even do the testing. So for now I'll just skip the test. And so either you can continue from here on the right side, and you can change the setup as well. So you can see uh, the app is and the app connected is a Google Calendar. I can change from here, and the new event, and I can configure. I can change configuration. So now we just click on publish. Now you can see Zap is ready. So we can see I created new event, which is a seed is testing Zapier, and it's 10:30. And after 1 minute, you can see I got email from Zapier. So a new event has been added to your calendar, and the event name is seed is testing Zapier. So we can confirm it's working fine. So so now let's go back to the Zapier, and you can close the app. So I think, yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.